Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how I install my Juicy Mini Twist protective style. My choice of styling gel, leave-in cream from Ghanaian Fruities, some rose water and some tools. I'm thinking of posting new videos every week. Feel free to comment what you would like to see next in my video, okay? And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more. Click on that notification bell so you don't miss my future uploads. Enjoy. This would be my first time of installing this kind of hairstyle. I think it's cute. Sit back and watch how I install this gorgeous mini twist. So if you guys want to see the end result of this beautiful mini twist, then keep watching. As you can see, some of the hair has already been installed because I don't want this video to be too long. So I started off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. I'm doing this style on a stretched hair. You can also do it on damp hair, either way works perfectly. I'm using the knotless braid method to start with this style. Divide the hair in two parts and start twisting. Thank you so much for my loyal subscribers. May the Lord bless you for me. When the hair gets kind of dry, what I do is I just spray some of my rose water to make it a little bit soft for easy twisting. Once I get almost to the end, I like to comb the hair to make sure the ends are nice and smooth. Look at the hair. It's so juicy and it's so fluffy, very lightweight. I love this style so much. Wow. Guys, I am so much in love with this mini twist. They are super moisturized, very soft, juicy. I'm loving this so much. I'm planning to keep this twist in for at least 2 weeks. Oh, hopefully. Lord help me. My lines are not straight. As you can see, they are not perfect. I don't even know how I ended up here. I'm going to section the hair, apply my gel, divide this hair again in 3 parts just like so to twist each part. This helps me a lot by taming down all the flyaways. And again, no hair will be sticking through the twist. So now I have 3 twists. I'm going to start the base like I would do with box braid, just like starting knotless box braid. When you start with the box braid method, you wouldn't have any puffiness at the base, which is so cool. The hair was getting a little bit dry, so I had to So once I get to the end, I like to comb through and continue on twisting, just to make sure my ends are nice and smooth. When I get to the very end, I like to twirl the hair around my fingers to give it a nice coil to finish, and also cut the excess split ends. And boom, here it is. So beautiful, nice, juicy, fluffy. Oh, I love this style. Look at this beautiful twist. I am so in love with it. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to continue repeating the same process for each twist, and yeah, I'm enjoying myself here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I would like to say this, when you are doing mini tweets, you should keep in mind the sizes. And as you can see, some of my sizes are bigger than the others. And yeah, I'm not trying to go for the perfect twist here, but it will be nice to have them in the same size. So yeah, this is my first time of doing jumbo twist like this, and this is definitely not a jumbo twist. Should I call this mini twist or medium rather? Yeah, this is medium twist. I always start with the perfect sizes at the back all the way to the middle, but sometimes when I get lazy at the top, I start patting them anyhow, bigger, small. I just pat them bigger just so I could get done. It's not so hard to do this at all. It took me some few hours to get done, and the hair I'm using is 20 inches. You don't need much product for the hair to be bouncy or juicy. Your hair does not have to be soaked in product for a successful twist out. Your hair soaks up only the product that it needs, and the rest sits on top of your strands. That's just waste of money and products, and that would contribute to product build up. I would like to talk about this moisturizer from Garnier Fruit. It's the leave-in conditioner. Oh my god, it is so nice. It smells very nice, and it makes the twist super moisturized and soft, juicy, very bouncy, and the smell of this leave-in is heavenly. I would highly recommend this product. Try it and thank me later. So this was the same kinky human hair I used for the other little unfinished twist. This is the same hair I'm using. Someone commented, why would you show a product without any link to purchase? I am very sorry about this. I even contacted a friend, and she was like, she also had no idea where the other person got this hair from. The hair was being sold to her and she sold it to me, so she also don't have any idea where the other person got the hair from. And the hair was completely sold out, and I couldn't even get my hands on the other bundle. It's rather unfortunate. I'm using only 2 bundles for this style. The hair is not enough, but it's quite full and looks completely natural. Just look at this. I'm all done. My twist look very pretty, juicy, fluffy, airy, and bouncy. I love it so much. Thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share for more content. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed.